gossip, 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 gossip. Kahit di niya alam kung ano ang totoo. Driving my Ferrari on the roadside, isang getaway. Oh, damn, somewhere around the south side. Di ko akalain na isang kolehiyal ako ma-eyes with a big booty. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Money, 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 let me check. If you can't pay me, then bump or you can, boy. Yan ang bonggat niya sa akin pagbaba ko ng windshield. Ala ng paligid-ligid, swabe ang amoy niya when she hit me on my face. Sabay nakaw ng halik, juicy lip, malibog pa sa kiliti. That's what I feel. She needs more cash, she needs some grip. So here we go, magkasama na kami ba ikot, 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 lokot sa motel. She asked me if wala akong asawa, sabi ko sa kanya, I'm a single still. You're not gonna lie, she's so pretty. Swak ang beauty niya sa'king Ferrari. I pay you cold cash, don't need to worry. I promise I won't break, just work me. Room 69, kami nag-assign. Overnight sensations and not your mind. No strings attached, lahat masarap. Game lights on, at the music I drop. Swallow baby come, baby baby come, come. 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 I feel so good, both of us lupay-pay. Ayun na mamaga ang kanyang bukupay.
Yo, nakita mo ra ako pumasok sa motel? Sure ka ah?
Mahilig siya sa gossip, 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 gossip. Kahit di niya alam kung ano ang totoo. Mahilig siya sa gossip, 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 gossip. Kahit di niya alam kung